Mi nombre es Tere Bernal, bienvenidos a mi canal English Teaching World. Si gustas las lecciones de gramática en español, las puedes encontrar en Gramática de Inglés en Español. Alright, well, let's begin with our lesson 2. We're going to see the personal pronouns, which are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. So let's explain one by one, alright? Okay. I, Tere, I am happy. I teach. I am a teacher. I. You're watching my video. You. Alright? Only one. You. He. But it's a man, it's a boy, a male, only one male. I'm gonna write something here. Only one. Let me change it like this. Alright. She. Papi. She. Only one. And it's a girl. It's a woman. Only one. This is for singular. When it's only one person. It. A thing. The marker. Instead of the marker or a pencil. Remember the example in lesson 1? I don't want to say pencil. I want to say it. That is the pronoun. It. For things. But in singular. Only in singular. Alright? What about the plural? The plural of it. It is in singular. It. And the plural of it is they. They are markers. It is a marker. They are markers. Alright, let's continue with we. Tere, Paco, and Alberto. We. I include myself. Tere, Paco, and Alberto. We. Alright? You. In plural. 2 people. You. But 2 people. You. Alright? The last one. They. You and me. Look. Many people. They are happy. They. Not you. Not me. They. Alright? Perfect. I hope this was clear for you. I hope to see you very soon in the next lesson. Thank you.